Here we do a little video on how to change the door mirror on the X-Type estate. So this one doesn't have any damage to it, whereas that one does. I think to note with these cars is the amount of wires on the mirror determine the functions that the car has. So this one's got 3 wires on it, which is for a car that's got Powerfold mirrors and memory seats. So these memory seats, and there's a Powerfold button here as well. So these reset when you press the memory function, and the mirrors will fold in on the button. Different variants of these cars have different number of wires. So you have a standard one that has 5, it just doesn't have any functionality in it. You have 7 wires if you've got folding mirrors, and if you've got the full fat power folds and memory, there's only 3 wires. So a little bit hard to get hold of, but it should be straightforward to swap. First thing you have to do is take the door card off. The door card has 3 screws, one of them's a hidden one, just in here, and then you need the trim tools, something like this, to get under there and just pull them off. This little knife is good for fruit, but it also will fit just in this little bit here. And you can pull it out. Pop it there so don't lose it. That's 1 screw. So those 3 screws are the only ones that hold it in. The rest is clips all around the door. You can guarantee when you do this you will break some of the clips. Easily get new ones. There goes one. That's that. Behind the door is a little clip that holds the door lock on. So we'll pop that. Just take that little cable out there and the door card. Could just sit there like that. Actually, you can see here we've broken one of the clips. The rest have survived. Pretty sure it's a 13 socket on here. There's a nut, only one nut holds the door mirror on. And you can just get to it here. What I should have done is put a little socket on that, a bit easier. There you go, that's all it is that holds the mirror on. It's the power cable. And there you go, mirror's off. And you can see on here 3 wires for the Powerfold and memory, so we know we've got the right one. That cable in there. Like that. A little fiddly getting the tool in there. I could put a socket, but I started with this, so I'll finish with this. Very simple. Nip that up. And that's that. So I'll just grab a pair of little grips here, and this bit here that's stuck we can just pull it out. It's broke. Spares. Getting about £3, £4 on our favourite auction site, or from a jag breaker, and then they go into the door card. You can see where in here they can just slot into the plastic like that, and that's it, literally it. It's very easy. Now, just make sure we put this back together properly. You must make sure you get that lined up correctly with your door handle. It will stop the car from opening properly. It will stop the lock from working properly, and it's just, we'll just have to take it apart and do it again. I know, because I did it. Then we'll just line the door card up with the holes, and then we'll just press that on, and you'll hear loads of clicks, and it'll be fine. So we'll just line that up, the holes, It sounds horrendous, but it's fine. They're all back in now. So now door handle should work properly. Put our key in. And that works. Oh, it's quite easy. And that's how you change a door mirror. All you've got to do now, just pop this cap off and pop that onto there. You can just put a flat blade knife in there really gently under here and just prise it and it will pop off, and it just clips back onto the other one, and that's that.